Vaishali Das and I am from class 7. Today I am going to speak some lines on the Republic Day and the Constitution of India. Hope you all enjoy. We all are proud of our nation and the people who freed us from the British rule. For their effort, we are being able to live a free life. Sorry, I made a small mistake. We are able to live a free life with some rules and discipline in it. But we are not the ones who made these rules. In fact, it is not possible to do so. Thus, there are some fixed rules made by the Indian leaders whose principal task was to frame a constitution for India after independence. In other words, constitution may be defined as a set of laws according to which a country or state is governed. A constitution may be a written one like in case of India or an unwritten one like in case of the United Kingdom. This was just a small introduction to what constitution is. Constitution was framed by the Constituent Assembly in 1946. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Some eminent members of the assembly were Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, and many more. The final shape of the constitution was given by the 8-member drafting committee under the chairmanship of P.K. Ambedkar. The constitution took 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to complete. The Republic Day or the Constitution Day was selected on 26 January due to a historical significance. On this date in 1929, the Congress leaders at the Congress session held in Lahore pledged to attend Purnia Swaraj, which is also known as Complete Independence. Since 1950, this day is celebrated as the Republic Day. The preamble of the Constitution starts with "We, the people of India." This proves that the citizens of India are the source of the Constitution. The nature of the Constitution or the preamble describes India as a sovereign. That means we have our own right and no other country can interfere the affairs of our country. Socialist, it was added to the preamble on the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. It means that all people have every right to get an opportunity in all the fields of job. Secular, this means every people of any religion must be welcome, as we all are humans and there is no difference between us. Democratic means that the citizens of India have all the rights to choose their representative of their choice to govern the country. Republic means that India has a fixed president for about a term of 5 years. There are also some aims of the preamble. Justice. Our constitution ensures that equal justice is given to all. Liberty. People of India can enjoy some fundamental rights and cannot be ruled by the government in all cases. Equality. There must be equality among all of us as we all are same. Fraternity. It breaks the superstition of untouchability and antisocial ideas in the society. At last, we can conclude on this day in 1950, our constitution was established with lots of efforts, and for that, we are today able to live a disciplined life. Thanks a lot to all the people who brought the country to today's form. Without their help, we would not get so much privilege. Thanks a lot and proud of you all who worked so hard for the country. Jai Hind. Thank you.